Hey everyone, in this video we will just go through the format of iterator functions, or the format iterator functions follow when you're trying to write one. So let's start. So iterator function essentially, just to recap, returns either a scalar value or a table value, and the ones in yellow are the ones that return scalar values, while the ones in green return table values. And a format, so if you're going to write an iterator function, it'll essentially follow some form of this format, where it will be the iterator function. So let's say you're creating a measure, so it'll be the measure name, and then you'll use an iterator function, and you'll pass on a table name over which you want the evaluation to happen, so each row of that table, and then you can probably put in an expression that you want evaluated. So and then this iterator function will either return a scalar value or a table, depending on the iterator function you've selected. So if you look at it again, just to recap, you pass a table and then you pass an expression, and there could be other fields which you might pass, but most iterator functions will follow some form of format which is closely related to this, and then return to you a scalar value or table. So in this video we've covered how to write iterator functions, or a basic format for iterator functions, and the kind of values they return. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.